How to assemble the sunshade awning kit for the Gala Shade range of pop-up gazebos. First, remove the components from the bag and put the central pole together by inserting the end with the push pin into the relevant end. The other piece simply slides into the end and sits against an internal spring. Connect one of the arms to the leg of your gazebo and tighten both ends of the clamping bolts to fix the arm tightly in place. Slide the end of your large awning material over the fixed arm. Fix the Velcro of the material to the inside of your gazebo canopy. The material has Velcro on both sides to allow you to fix a door or walling panel to your gazebo as usual if required. Slide the other end over the awning material over the loose arm piece and then repeat the fixing to the other gazebo leg with the clamping knob bolt. Now take the long pre-erected pole and slide it through the front material of the awning, pushing the spike into the hole of one of the arms. Using the sprung mechanism, constrict the pole and then allow it to flex back into the hole of the opposite arm. Finally, fix the smaller pieces of material to the top of the awning using the Velcro strips and then down to the legs of the gazebo. Your sunshade awning kit is now ready for use, protecting your goods from direct sunlight.